So welcome back to the YouTube channel, and in case this happens to be your first time here, please do me a favor to make sure you subscribe. Now let's talk about Shelly and Fraser-Pryce, because recently Shelly and Fraser-Pryce declared a very shocking message. Now Shelly and Fraser-Pryce said, years of experience has taught me the value of proper preparation and execution before entering any arena. Now, Shelly and Fraser-Pryce posted this on her official Facebook account, saying that her years of experience has taught her the value of proper preparation and execution before entering any arena. And what this means is that she is referring to the Paris Olympic, that she has due to the years of experience, Paris Olympic is not gonna be a very hard competition for her. Like, definitely she is coming for the gold. She is ready, she is prepared, and she has been working hard in silence. And Shelly and Fraser-Pryce has been so quiet recently because she has not raced in any continental tour or diamond league recently, and I do believe that she is putting in a lot of work. That is the reason for her silence. And the one thing I love about Shelly and Fraser-Pryce is the fact that she is very humble. She is a very humble athlete. She smiles a lot, and she doesn't really care about what people think about her. She does what she think is best for her. And in case you do not know, Shelly and Fraser-Pryce is definitely coming for the gold in Paris Olympic. But there are a lot of she will have to face the American Sha'ccarri Jackson and also her peers from the same country. I'm talking about Shericka Jackson and Elaine Thomson Herah. Now let's talk about the possibility of Jamaica getting the 1, 2, 3 in Paris Olympic, because I'm actually seeing this vision again. I'm seeing a vision of Jamaica dominating the Paris 100-meter gold, silver, and bronze. Do you believe that is possible with the current situation, with the way these Jamaican athletes are training so hard, and the fact that they know Sha'ccarri right now? They know her abilities, they know her techniques, they know what she is good at doing, and they are tightening their belts so much. I feel like there is possibility of these Jamaican ladies getting 1, 2, 3 gold medal in the Paris Olympic. Do you believe in my narrative? Let me hear what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe.